Hey, getting ready for the big snowstorm. One thing we're going to do is change lights. We've got a light here that is busted out on the 7120. So I have ordered LED lights, got them from Larson Lights. So we've got the first one here. You can see the difference in the lights there already. Just a nice white, brighter look. We are also going to replace the floodlights down here. So stay tuned for more. Let's see how this project goes. It shouldn't take too long to do this. They're just plug and play lights. Alright, this is what we've got here. Tiger Lights is the brand name of these. TL7140, they fit all Case IH Magnum tractors. And then these are Larson Lights, and I actually got all of these lights from Larson Lights. These are the work lights that are mounted down on the bottom of the tractor. So we've got it all installed. We're going to give it a shot here. Let's turn the heater off. And I'll have Zach get in the tractor and turn everything on and see what we got here. It should make a huge difference. Oh yeah. Oh wow. So you can see the lights on the top side. We did not change those. Those are the old style lights, and these are the new LEDs. Wow. Turn the bright lights on. Oh shit. Good Lord. I am blinded by the lights. You need to get down here and see this. Wow. That is, I think I'm going to have to get them for the other tractor. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, good gosh. Yes, and the ones in the back, and yes. All right, so that is the LED light install on the 7120. These things are bright. Snow expected tonight starting after midnight, 2 to 4 inches, 3 to 6, depends on the forecast, who you listen to. So we're not sure if we're going out. We have got the call for the salt spreaders, so pickup trucks with salt spreaders, we are heading in at midnight to load up. No call yet on the tractors and snow plows. But if we get 6 inches with this with the cold that we've had, we will be plowing. All right, stay tuned.